Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Tesla not showing cars around me, not showing traffic. You basically need to just recalibrate your cameras, okay? If it has shifted from its calibrated position, that will cause issues. For example, the camera or windshield was replaced. You need to clear the calibration. So what you do is you go to your Tesla touchscreen, you click on controls, and then you head over to service, click on camera calibration, and then I want you to just tap on clear calibration. And once the calibration is cleared, Model Y or Model X, whatever your Tesla is, it will repeat the calibration process and then it will recalibrate the camera in many cases. And that should fix your issue and it should start showing cars around you again. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.